Yes.
Where is he? Hello, you big fucker.
Big?
What are you doing? What's
big.
that? Double exposure examples. Too bad we're doing film.
Good one, mate.
You're on the vlog.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, there we go. What's your plan?
Anything racist, eh?
Who's that?
Oh, no one. Don't worry.
That's what we're doing today. We're doing experimental film. Tom's decided to do double exposure.
Hell yeah.
With it's not his camera. It's Josh's camera. Josh left us.
Stolen.
Josh, the guy who couldn't really vlog in the last vlog. Yeah, he's already. Well,
that's why I got kicked out.
Yeah, because he couldn't vlog on a film course. Your room's, well, I'd say it's tidy. You got a load of
fuck off.
Tom. Oh, hello. Tom, can we go?
Yeah.
Can we get a Subway as well? I'd rather a Subway than a Big Mac.
Come on, Mackies.
What? Come on. Oh, fuck's sake, it's not even healthy.
And Subway is?
Yeah, mine is. We're also going to do a shop. We're going to film in Asda, because why not? Guess who got kicked out of Asda? What are you trying to say about Asda?
That they're so good that their stock goes out all the time.
Yeah, that's it.
Please sponsor.
Oh, I've already got hummus on here. Got cider, Kiev's, leaves, peppers, orange juice. Now, if that isn't a shopping list, I don't know what is.
Video.
What are you even going to film anyway? Try and film it. Put it on the shelf. Move the kettle chips.
You know, take pictures, guys.
Lol, got told off already.
Lol.
Hey, boys. Guess who got kicked out of Asda? Like, literally, the last thing I said to the camera was, we're getting told off. So basically, they saw us try and film again after we got told off. So Tom had to then delete his footage from his camera. Whoops. But I kept mine still. Because they didn't see the camera, because it's so small.
Pros of having a mini camera, yeah. One for like
Now Tom has basically lost all the footage. The only reason we came to Asda was to do that. Now he's lost it all.
Yep. Back to
Square one. Square one. There it is. The building. See, that's what it's going to look like. It's going to be black.
Now we're going to film this building.
You can't film there. Your bag fell in the dirt.
Everything's going wrong today.
Is it? How was the shot?
You know,
right?
it's pretty fun. Oh,
Yeah.
nice, yeah.
Nice and sharp. That's alright though. Flat 51, boys. Come out, sesh us.
Best flat.
Hashtag best flat. Hashtag not quite. Yeah, look at this place. Doo-doo, doo-doo. If I could get my bike down, I'm going to be leaving it over there. How risky. The bike in the flat.
They wouldn't allow that, would they?
They would definitely wouldn't allow
So
it.
you had to put it in the lift. Welcome to the crib. Cardboard in the hallway. That's where the homeless guys sleep. And drunk people.
Drunk people.
I don't drink.
Vlog. Oh, I love recording. Also known as a pussy's drink.
I thought you were...
Have you heard about the
Why can't we be friends?
I guess he hasn't heard about it. What is that? What? It's a man.
The bus isn't moving. So. I know it is. CJ, to be creative like me,
Yeah.
you just gotta have balls, you know?
Doesn't know it's nah.
Do you?
What I'm doing.
No, I didn't. I like the finger action. He's got two fingers both on the trackpad.
Okay. You don't have to be rude.
You've got the SD card reader on there still as well.
Alright.
God.
Why'd you get so angry?
I'm not getting angry, I'm just, you know.
You are, because I'm getting angry.
Have you got anything to do, George, or are you just
No.
like...
I've got nothing to do for like 4 days.
Oh, you have an essay today?
Exam today.
Exam?
Great fun, multiple choice, short answer question.
There we go.
No.
I'm gonna try and green screen this
Go
house.
out and drink.
Oh, we could actually go lost, you know, if you want to go out. Tom, do you want to come lost?
No.
Do your fucking essay and come lost.
Do it now quickly.
Quickly?
Come on.
Well, you got 3 hours
I'll
to
write
do
a
it.
paragraph.
You got 3 hours.
3 hours? It's 8 now, isn't it?
Yes. Lost is at 1. Sorry, 11. I got confused. It's two ones.
Chamomile, yeah. Pure chamomile.
Oh my god, it green screens absolutely perfectly.
Show me the swastika.
Look, no, it's gone because of green screen. Look. Oh, Tom, what's just happened, mate? Good things.
Hey!
We finished our essays. We had 9,000 words to do over the Christmas holidays. Got all done, didn't we?
I was going to finish today at 8 PM. What time is it now, Joe?
Well, time is what, 1:45?
Hell yeah, boy.
Yeah, 10 to 2 in the morning.
Now it's time for shots.
So today, got our essays done. Got to keep that Asda.
Yeah.
I've gone through, what was it? Asda green screen. And I posted on my Snapchat story for people to suggest what I put behind the Asda sign.
Great submission.
We've also got the pink dildo,
From Joe.
of course. We got the baby face from a mate. It's a squash doll's face. We got Bournemouth Beach, actually my favourite one because it looks really nice. Bit boring, but you know, it's good. Katie, I used to make collages. I'm turning this music off. I used to make collages of all her stickers, all the really bad stickers of her face, and put it in there. Sainsbury's, repping Sainsbury's. I work at Sainsbury's, if you guys would know. Sloth, my absolute favourite.
Show the phone case.
Oh yeah, where's my phone? In my pocket. There it is. Very, very feminine phone case, but...
Is it?
Oh, look at the colours. It is very nice, I agree with that. And the final one, a slug for Cornucopia Productions.
Slugs for life.
Slugs for life. I'm a bit red.